Welcome back, everybody. Mark here from my Backwood Adventures. Today I was hoping to get out to the cabin site today and bring you guys along and start breaking ground over there, but the weather just hasn't been cooperating. So every chance that we get to coordinate to go, it seems like the weather just does not want to cooperate. It's 4 degrees Celsius this morning, cloudy, very windy. Had some flurries yesterday. So anyhow, I just got putting around here finishing up some projects. I think I mentioned we got some chickens coming, so I'm going to start the chicken coop. I think they're coming the end of May, so we're getting close to the end of April here. So it's supposed to clear up this afternoon and get to like 9, so anyhow, but still windy. So anyhow, this video is going to be about why I decided to buy a Woodland Mills, in particular sawmill, or sawmill in general too, because there are many brands and companies out there that offer the same quality of sawmill. So but I'll tell you why I chose the Woodland Mills. But anyhow, I'm just going to show you. I finished the floor in the greenhouse. I just got to build some planter boxes, and then I got to put the roof on, that corrugated roof, and some gutters. But that can be done later on. No rush for that. The planter boxes I'll get done as soon as the chicken coop's done, and then we can probably start planting in there by then. Hopefully the weather will start warming up, but she is rather cool. So I'll go show you the start of the chicken coop. I built the floor and kind of put it off to the side here. I'm not 100% sure if that's where it's going to stay, but I think so. I think it'll work out. I'll take you outside and we'll have a look. So here we are. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a few flurries coming down. Cloudy, sun trying to come out in the east there. But anyhow, this is the greenhouse here. I think you guys saw in the last video I was in the process of making the floor here, or putting the floor, and then just got that few other boards left in there. I finished up, nailed them down. So now we got to put some planter boxes in there, and that's going to be ready to go. The inside anyway, and then I got those rain barrels there that, well, the wind blew them down. But I'll have to set up some gutters and collect some rainwater. So that's where the chicken coop's going to go for now. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy a sawmill. I mean, I don't think I had a chicken coop in mind, but you know, building projects, a wood shed like I showed you guys, and so if you own a little bit of property, you don't have to be humongous logs. I mean, you know, you see what I got there. That's some white pine and some red pine, and I got some spruce back there that I've been picking through, which is kind of dwindling down. But I mean, there's a few I picked through there. They weren't huge logs, but I mean, you can get 2 or 3 2x4s, a few boards, some 2x6s, whatever. That's what you're gonna get, and it's pretty gratifying when you can take a tree, harvest a tree, and bring it home, put it on the mill, and you know, come up with something like this, a chicken coop or whatever, what cabin, whatever you want to build. So my plans are to build a cabin. That's going to be the next biggest build, but a sawmill shed, an equipment shed, you know, it's endless, as long as you have the supply of wood or logs. So I'm going to be framing these walls in the inside of the garage here, because I got the heat on in there. It's a little bit cool outside. Until it warms up a bit, I'm going to be working inside. I got to mark these and bring them in, and it's just going to be a shed roof. This is going to be the front of the coop here. Just going to be a shed roof. nesting boxes, if I can say it, over here. And so I'm gonna continue on to that today. So yeah. So why the Woodland Mills? Well, I did a lot of, before I didn't made my purchase, I did a lot of looking around at the different sawmills, and for what I wanted to do for my use, it seemed to be the perfect fit. Back inside here now. It seemed to be the perfect fit, both size-wise and price-wise. And from what I could tell, the best I could tell, from the reviews about the customer service was just excellent. So I decided to go with the Woodland Mills, and I haven't been disappointed. I mean, I've had the odd little knick-knack that broke or wore, or prematurely let go or whatever, but I've had nothing but excellent support from Woodland Mills. Give them a call or send them an email with a picture of what happened, and no questions asked. And it's not like I'm abusing my equipment. I'm just using it as it is intended to be used. And things fail, but for the most part, it's been an awesome machine. So having said that, I might fire it up today if I need some extra lumber. I've got some lumber milled up here. I don't know if I got enough. I took some of that red pine and I made some siding with it, so I think that's what I'm gonna side the chicken coop with. That's gonna be like a live edge siding on that one. So anyhow, I'm gonna get building here, and hopefully you'll watch along. In case you haven't figured it out, carpentry is not my trade. it's getting rather a little bit heavy here for me, so I'm going to try to carry this out to the build site, the chicken coop, and I'm going to put this wall up and plumb it, and then I got to continue framing for the window. Just a couple of other pieces there for a little window or vent, so I'll go do that. So it's mid to late morning here, a little fast forward on this chicken coop build. I've got the rafters cut. I'm just gonna nail them down. I got the walls in. Still got to do a bit of framing in the back for that door. So I'm gonna get up there and do those rafters, but I don't know where the sun is. It's been spitting snow here off and on this morning. I don't know what the temperature is. It feels like, well, excuse me, it's warmed up a little bit, but still pretty cool. So I got the toque on. But anyhow, I'm gonna get up there and nail those rafters and continue on. The rafters are up now. I'm out of spikes, so no more framing. So I'm gonna start boarding up the roof, I think. Sounds like a plan. So there we have the roof, half boarded up, I guess. Ran out of boards, so looks like I'll be firing up the sawmill this afternoon. It's lunchtime now. Get the sawmill fired up. Looks like we're getting a few blue skies here, sunny breaks, so hopefully I can get rid of the toque here this afternoon and start milling a few more boards. And I won't get this done today by no means, but we'll see what we can get done this afternoon. Hopefully board up the roof and maybe start putting boards on the walls and or siding, whichever one. I'm not sure if I'm going to board it up first or just put siding. Undecided yet, but we'll see. That's after lunch. Gotta get the mill going here, but we'll see you back in a bit. Well, folks, welcome back. I thought it was taping, but I guess it wasn't. But wow, she's windy. Sun's trying to come out, but anyhow, I got a few boards here just milled up. 6 boards, I guess. It's a 12-foot log. I just picked out of my pile here, so I'm gonna put those aside for now. I think I'm gonna, while I'm cutting, I think I'm gonna grab one of those pine logs. I'm gonna cut some 6-inch boards for some fascia. And we'll get that done. There it is, folks. Some pine. I love the smell of fresh cut pine. Anyhow, that's some fascia board. I made it 6 inches. It might be a little bit overkill, but I don't know. We'll see. It'll be alright. Gummy. Anyhow, I'm going to go stack this away, and I'm going to edge a few of those boards, and then start building again. So there it is. The construction has begun. So I got the roof on, and framed up here, so windows and whatnot. So next step is to board this thing up and then put some siding on it. I think I decided to board it up, so that's going to be another video. So that's going to be it for today, and I hope you're enjoying following along. Like I said, this is not a last minute project, but anyhow, I think we're going to enjoy having chickens around for the eggs and fresh eggs. So hopefully I can get it done in time. And so it's going to be probably a 2-part, 3-part, maybe more of a video. So anyhow, we'll leave you with this one today, and then we'll see you next time. So get outdoors when you can and enjoy the fresh air, and be well, be safe, and see you next time.